Hey everyone, welcome back to Soulful Summit. I'm Grace, and I'm so excited to have you here today as we dive into a topic that I think we can all relate to: spring cleaning your life. Now I know what you're thinking. Spring cleaning is usually associated with decluttering our physical spaces. But today, we're going to take it a step further and talk about reassessing our goals and setting intentions for the season ahead. You see, spring is a time of renewal and growth. It's a time when nature comes alive, and we can't help but feel inspired by the beauty around us. So why not take this opportunity to reassess our goals and set intentions for the season ahead? It's like giving our lives a fresh start, a chance to bloom and thrive. Now, when it comes to reassessing our goals, it's important to take a step back and reflect on where we are right now. Are we on the right path? Are our goals still aligned with our values and passions? Sometimes, life can take us on unexpected detours, and it's okay to adjust our course. In fact, it's necessary for our growth and happiness. So, I encourage you to take some time to sit down and really think about what you want to achieve in the coming months. What are your passions? What brings you joy? Set goals that align with your true self and don't be afraid to dream big. Remember, the sky's the limit. Setting intentions is another powerful tool in spring cleaning our lives. Intentions are like guiding principles that help us stay focused and aligned with our goals. They remind us of what truly matters and keep us motivated on our journey. So, as you reassess your goals, think about the intentions you want to set for yourself. Maybe it's to practice self-care and prioritize your well-being. Or perhaps it's to cultivate gratitude and find joy in the little things. Whatever it may be, let your intentions be a compass that guides you towards a more fulfilling and purposeful life. Now, I know that reassessing goals and setting intentions can be challenging. It requires us to be honest with ourselves and make some tough decisions. But trust me, the rewards are worth it. When we align our goals and intentions with our true selves, we create a life that is authentic and meaningful. So, my friends, as we embark on this journey of spring cleaning our lives, let's remember to be kind to ourselves. Change takes time, and it's okay to stumble along the way. But with each step forward, we're one step closer to living a life that truly resonates with our souls. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Soulful Summit for more inspiring content. Together, let's embrace this season of renewal and create a life that blooms with purpose and joy. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.